Hi, you just got yourself a new shiny iPhone 3G like this one, and you were wondering, where's the dock? I have to tell you, there's one. But today I show you how you can use your old iPhone dock from the 2G or first generation iPhone to make it perfectly fit with the new one. In just a minute. Okay, now I show you what you need. You need your new iPhone, your shiny new 3G iPhone. And you need the old dock connector, the old docking station from the first generation iPhone. And you need a pen, preferably a black one. And you need a little tool, like this one, a Dremel or a Proxon. And a little patience. Just take your old dock and put your new iPhone as far as you can into the old dock. Now take your pen. Just draw a line on your new, on the old dock, just like this. See? Now we just take some duct tape to put it over the connector. Just like this, so it keeps clean while you're carving it. Now take your tool, turn it on to medium speed. At best I'm using a diamond head, just like this one. Turn it on and start. Okay, now take some sandpaper, preferably P600. Just cut a small piece of it. Now we're going to wet it a little. We need some water. So that's our new dock. Looks perfectly okay. Just take your iPhone. It fits perfectly well into the new dock. Okay, now we're going to try the new iPhone dock. Just stick it in. And there you go.